How to get more views on Instagram Reels. Creating Instagram Reels for your brand or business can be one of the best ways to increase followers and engagement on Instagram. Reels are the best way to grow your Instagram account. The greatest strategy to increase your Instagram account and get a spot on the Explore page is to create Reels. Some of the important tricks to increase views on Instagram are: 1. Hashtags. Using hashtags in the right way is important. You can't use any hashtags in your Reels. The point is you have to choose hashtags according to the type of content you are using so that it will reach the right audience. Common mistakes people usually make are when they use long hashtags. 2. Don't watch your video from your ID. The most common mistakes people make is that after posting Reels, they start watching their Reels how much likes they get, see the comments or enjoy the music. This makes the Instagram algorithm think that you are increasing views by looking at your Reels. You have to avoid this. Leave it for 2 to 3 hours. But don't watch it again and again. You don't get the views instantly after posting, it will take some time. So be patient. 3. Post on correct time. You have to post your Reels at the time when everyone is active. For this, if you are using an Instagram normal account, don't use that, switch into a professional account. After switching into a professional account, go to the insights. You will get to know at what time your followers are active. You have to post at the same time when they are active. 4. Watch time. Instagram doesn't have enough time to watch everyone's reel. In the Instagram algorithm, the important thing is watch time. To make such a reel, where everyone pay attention, then you have to create suspense so that you will get watch time. Try to make reels above 15 seconds, then you will get good watch time and it may have more chances to make your reel go viral. 5. Create suspense in your video. You must have seen all the other reels, like wait for it and wait till the end. This will help making the reels twist-type reels. Due to this, the audience feels that something is going to happen in the end, they watch the reels completely, this gives you watch time. 6. Use trending songs. Take a look and see what's trending music right now. Reels made with trending videos attract more viewers. When a number of people react to sounds, the Instagram algorithm notices and adds more of the same videos in their feed. 7. Engaging CTA. In the Reels, add some options for the audience. Suppose you are making a video, then you have to write something like a song on your best friend, mention your best friend, and tag your best friend. This makes the Instagram algorithm think that this video may have a lot of comments. They started. Your content in Instagram Reels should be a quality way, not quantity way. These tricks will help you to get more views and increase your account reach.